G'day everyone. I thought I'd do a quick update on how things are progressing with our reef tank after moving to our new house. Well, we still have all of our coral in our holding tank. Everything so far is doing quite well. Haven't lost any coral as yet. Everything's looking good. Just temporarily keeping all of our coral in this 40-gallon holding tank, which will eventually become a display refugium. Going to have it plumbed to the 125-gallon main display tank. But what I have done is installed the lights more permanently above this tank. These are the cheap Chinese LEDs. What I've gone and done, I've got 2 pieces of angle iron and undone the screws on top of the LED units and attached the angle iron to the lights on front and back. So it pretty much becomes like one unit, and just have them attached to 2 brackets on the wall. And it's just hanging there like so. As yet, I have not done any more on the 125-gallon tank, still sitting there. I've got a lot of work to do in preparation of getting that ready to transfer everything across to that. But so far, everything's going well in the 40-gallon holding tank, which will eventually become a display refugium.